Hello viewers, my name is Mahesh and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the latest OnePlus 8T mobile. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and get notified. Don't forget to like this video at the end. So without any delay, let's dive in. OnePlus 8T is all set for launch on October 14th, and ahead of its launch, we are starting to get more details about the device, which the company itself have been shared a lot of details about the OnePlus 8T. New leaks have revealed some interesting details about the upcoming phone. The latest in the list has revealed details about the camera sensors and dimensions of the 8T. As per reports, the device will be slightly taller and thicker than its following OnePlus 8. It has revealed the dimensions of the phone is 162.8 by 75.5 by 8.4 mm, which means the thickness of the device would be around 8.4 mm, which would increase to 9.3 mm when the rear camera bump is taken into the equation. To remind that's a small jump from the OnePlus 8, which was thinner than this device. In fact, the dimensions appears closer to those of the OnePlus 8 Pro, whereas we know it is slightly thicker than the OnePlus 8T. Apart from this, OnePlus 8T will bring with itself a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture including OIS, EIS similar to the 7T. There will also be a 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide with 116 FOV field of view sensor. However, there may not be a telephoto lens on this device, and instead the device may feature a 5 megapixel f2.4 macro and 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. OnePlus itself has confirmed some key details about the smartphone. As per reports, the phone could come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage paired with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. There is confirmation from OnePlus that the phone will come with an AMOLED panel that will run at the fast refresh rate of 120Hz. The information on the OnePlus 8T screen is officially available from OnePlus, complete with its testing notes from DisplayMate. The rates is very highly. OnePlus 8T has also been confirmed to pack a 4500 mAh battery, which can be topped up using the company's super fast 65 watts rapid charging technology. So that's all for now guys. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.